Hello, all you fine people. I am Josh at Random, here to bring you Winter is Here by Kevin Henkes, illustrated by Laura Dronzek. Winter is here. It's everywhere. It's falling from the sky and sitting on the houses and dripping from the roofs and sticking to the trees in clumps and curls. Winter is reaching through the branches and crouching in doorways and settling here and there softly, so softly. But winter can be hard too. Ice covers the pond. The leaves underneath are like stars in glass. It can take a long time to get ready for winter. Boots and zippers, and vests and zippers, and jackets and zippers, and hats, and snaps, and scarves, and mittens. Winter is outside, of course, but it's inside too, feathering the window and dusting the dog and sitting on the table. Winter comes without a sound, and it comes with many. The wind howls in every language, and the windows rattle. Winter is white and gray, but with the dark of night, winter is blue, 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 deep blue, and even colder. Winter comes, and then it stays, and stays, and stays. And when it's time to leave, winter shrinks away bit by bit. It slows down, getting smaller, drying up, slipping down the street, around the corner, peeking back, then moving on, out into the world, into the air, into spring. The end. Thank you all so much for following along. If you like this and other read-alongs, including winter themes, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks, and have a nice warm day.